So, you're trying to use your Xbox gift card to snag some sweet Valorant skins, huh? Let's get straight to the point because I know your time is valuable. First things first, grab that Xbox gift card you're hoping to use now. Here's the catch: Xbox gift cards are specifically designed for the Xbox ecosystem. That means games, apps, and subscriptions available on the Microsoft Xbox Store. Valorant, on the other hand, is a PC exclusive. It's only available on computers and runs entirely through Riot Games' own platform. When you're looking to buy Valorant Points or VP inside the game, you'll notice that the payment options are tied to Riot Games' system, not Microsoft's. You won't see an option to use your Xbox gift card here. This means you'll need to use payment methods like credit cards, PayPal, or even specifically designated Riot Games gift cards if you have them. Unfortunately, your Xbox gift card simply won't work directly for Valorant Points. So, while your Xbox gift card is awesome, it's not the key to unlocking those Valorant goodies. Maybe save it for an awesome Xbox game. Sorry for the bad news, but hopefully this clarifies things and prevents any further frustration. Good luck and happy gaming!